Hello. So, in today's video we've come to Llyn, which is in North Wales, and we're heading to the Klondyke mines, old lead mines. Now from what I've read, there's a waterfall, some old mine ruins, and some absolutely stunning views. Look at that. You may have noticed a difference in hat. I've found the bow to pressure and I've bought myself one to see how it looks. So far I'm quite liking it. So let's get up to these ruins, see what photos are to be had. Let's just enjoy the walk. So I've made it to my first location, which is going to be the waterfall. I'm looking pretty much head on at this waterfall. There's nothing really special about it. I'll just put some footage up here of what I'm seeing. Shooting in about half a second. Got my ND filter and polarizer taking the glare off the water and reducing the amount of sunlight, which as you can see is right in front of me. I'm getting a lot better look with the camera than I did with my phone in one of the previous videos. After I've got this shot, I want to head down here. There's another little waterfall, but I want to get this one from that rock over there looking kind of sideways on, and then I want to see if I can get a good shot of the mill with the foliage around it. I really do feel like this might be a better autumnal rather than late May. Okay, so once again I've got quite a simplistic shot, but I'm actually looking sideways on at the waterfall trickling down in front of me. I'm set up between this rock here and the rock I'm sat on. The camera's just in front of me. I'm looking straight at the waterfall, using the waterfall as a lead up to the gorge that you can see behind you. Now, got a lot of nice green around that. I'm hoping to make that more lush in the image later, a bit more saturation. But what I might do, might try something different instead and darken all that off, desaturate it, and increase the glow of the waterfall. I haven't really decided what to do in post yet. I might try all of them and see which one I think is best and put that one up. Obviously that's not going to be for everybody, but I'll like it. If this image is any good, here it comes, and we'll go to the other side of the mill and try and get a nice shot looking back at the gorge. I've come onto this little outcropping of land that's in front of the mill, which you can see behind me. The shot I want, I'm using these these hedges to cover my wife and daughter who sat on the corner. But I actually want the tree in the shot anyway. I want it to be kind of an environmental shot. Having my wife and daughter there does add scale to the image, but it doesn't add to the look that I want, and neither does that danger no entry sign that's on the wall, which I may have to do something about later on. Now the clouds are rolling past at the moment because there is a bit of wind today, and I got it with the cloud just above the mill, and it kind of followed the shape of the mill, so I've been waiting about 5 minutes for that to just float over and get the right shot I want. Hopefully I've managed to get that. That's a handheld shot, 400th of a second, ISO 100 and aperture of f8. No stabilisation because it doesn't have any in this camera or the lens, but hopefully it will prove to be a good shot. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. It's only been a brief one. Only managed to get a bit of footage, but I'm out with my family. Managed to get a couple of good shots in. Managed to get the waterfall in as well. So overall, I'm pretty happy with that. If you did like it, give it a like, thumbs up, share, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.